This is Ilisan, a quiet, humble community nestled in the mountains. In here, dreams don't come easy. Many are buried beneath poverty and lost in crumbling homes.
I am Ligaya Alviar de la Cruz. You can call me Joy for short. I have been a child development worker since 2014. So this is my 11 years. Hindi naman lahat ng pamilya ay biniyayaan ng magandang bahay. Hindi naman biniyayaan ng mga laruan. So may mga bata talagang pag nakita po nilang maganda yung kanilang school, parang gustong-gusto na nga nila dito tumira, gusto na nila dito mag-stay.
But hope isn't found in the absence of struggle. It's in the courage to rise from it. I know this pain. I have felt it. As a child, I too wished for a space where I could simply dream. A quiet corner to imagine a future where I could become more. That's why this project lives so close to my heart. Because Scholar, the World with Kindness, is the very thing I once needed. In the Philippines, over 5 million children live in extreme poverty. And in communities like Ilisan, over 400 children are guided by only a handful of teachers. It's not the lack of education holding them back. It's the lack of a nurturing space where their dreams can take root. In 2022, we started Color the World with Kindness with one dream: to give every child not just a seat in school, but a place in this world. Early this year, we raised almost 200,000 pesos in one event. It wasn't just a fundraiser. It was a movement of people who chose to believe. We started by rebuilding early learning centers in Ilisan, restoring spaces where children could feel safe, seen, and supported. And we didn't do it alone. Volunteers, local artists, and people came together. They gave their hearts in every brush stroke and effort. Proof that when kindness comes together, it creates something lasting. But we knew it wasn't enough, because education doesn't begin in school. It begins at home.
Ako po si Ross de Lafario, 42 years old po. Isa pong kasambahay. Nakaraang taon na po yung nagsasalag ko ng pagbukas ako pagbukas. Kasi kita yung sarapan lang po yun. Tapos kalating yero lang po. Kaya yung ang unang po pag ganun po magbukas ako. Kaya gusto nakikita yung mga pa.
Manang Rose, a mother, raising 3 children alone. Abandoned but never defeated. She worked as a housemaid, piecing together a life. We helped her rebuild her home.
Dati po, pag umuulan po, basa po kami. Sa ngayon po, hindi nga po mababasa kasi okay na sa yung bahay ko. Yun po ang malaking pagbabadyo po. Hindi na kami nababasa, hindi na po kami tumatakbo sa kabilang bahay para makilinaw.
And now, their children's safety, dream. It's not solely about education inside the walls of classrooms. It's about planting a seed of belief in each home, that they matter, that they can become more. We should wish for a day when every household has a space to pursue, where families don't just survive, they thrive. It's not education alone that will save these children. It's the belief that they deserve to dream. And that belief begins with you. It begins with us. In Ilisan, a place once known as a dumping ground, a transformation begun. Because when we choose to believe, we turn broken into whole, darkness into color, survival into purpose. A world that believes in children's dreams is not just possible, it's already beginning. We can color the world with kindness, one home, one step, one heart at a time.